Hey guys, so if you're looking for connecting like Quest 3 to iPad, and I was looking here on Reddit on how it's possible to be done. And someone wrote here that short answer no, long answer kind of yes, you need the USB-C to HDMI adapter, HDMI capture card, and USB-A into USB-C adapter and USB camera application. So, and then you would just have to like follow the tutorial. And it's like when you're gonna write playing console games on the Quest 2, and maybe it's going to work also on the Quest 3. And then not sure you need immersed for this, you can use a screen capture stick to capture iPad screen and plug in USB-C from the stick into Quest. They have an official way of showing the capture video in the Quest. So this is something that you want to try.